Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to pin a comment on TikTok application. As of August 2025, TikTok has removed the ability to pin comments on videos. This change has met with disappointment for many users who found the feature useful for highlighting important interactions. But you can still highlight important interactions on your TikTok videos by using the Respond with Video Replies option. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then from your profile page, find the post where you want to pin or respond a comment with video replies. Select the post where you want to reply and press and hold on the comment, and from the menu, click on Reply with Video. And then the comment will be displayed at the top. You can then create a video reply to the comment by tapping on the record button at the bottom, record your content, and share it with your followers. Even though the pin option is not available on TikTok, you can easily reply to a special comment with video replies. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.